Fix it fast. If your Instant Pot Duo displays error code C5, the unit detected high temperature at the heating element. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Press cancel and let it cool. The Instant Pot Duo stops automatically when temperature gets too high. Press cancel. Unplug the unit and wait at least 10 minutes for the heating element to cool before checking inside. Step 2. Check if the inner pot is in place. Open the lid and look inside the base. The stainless steel inner pot must be sitting on the heating element. If the pot is missing, the heating element overheats and triggers C5. Insert the inner pot and make sure it sits flat with no wobble. Step 3. Check for objects blocking the inner pot. Remove the inner pot and look at the heating element in the base. Food debris, packaging materials, or utensils left inside prevent the inner pot from making good contact. Wipe the heating element with a dry cloth. Place the inner pot back and press down gently. Step 4. Check the inner pot for scorched food. If the inner pot was already in place when C5 appeared, remove it and check the bottom for burned or stuck food. If food is stuck, add half a cup of hot water to the pot and use a silicone spatula to scrape up the stuck bits. This is called deglazing. Once loosened, wash the pot with soap and water and dry it completely. Scorching happens when there's not enough thin liquid. Add at least 375 milliliters of water or broth for the 6-quart model before cooking again. I've linked a long-handled silicone spatula in the description for safer deglazing. Step 5. Restart cooking. Place the clean, dry inner pot in the base. Add ingredients with enough liquid. Close the lid, set the steam release handle to sealing, and select your program. If C5 appears again after these steps, contact Instant Pot support using the link in the description. If this helped you fix error C5 and get cooking again, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a long-handled silicone spatula, I've linked one below. It reaches into the deep inner pot to scrape stuck food without scratching stainless steel. Thanks for watching, and now you can beat the heat.